CPA Marketing, the $15,000 per month strategy. If you don't know who I am, my name is Damien Black, and I've been doing CPA and affiliate marketing since 2018. My YouTube channel is all about affiliate marketing, and I teach complete beginners how to make a full-time income online and quit their 9-to-5 daily job. So if you want more videos like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video to support this channel. When it comes to making money online, I have done it all. And trust me, I know what works and what doesn't. I have tried and failed dropshipping, Amazon FBA, blogging, consulting, and selling on eBay. I have tried all of these things and failed miserably. And when I finally found out about CPA and affiliate marketing in 2018, I've been doing it full time ever since, and I completely love it. I don't have to deal with customers, I don't have to ship any products or items, I don't even need to create them. I don't have to risk thousands of dollars on inventory and then hopefully I sell it. And obviously I don't even spend hundreds of dollars on ads. CPA affiliate marketing is very low risk involved, it has high margins, it's very profitable, it's low time consuming, I work only 1 to 3 hours per day, it's a long-term business, 100% legit, and I get to promote other people's products. That's awesome, guys. In this video, I'm going to reveal a strategy that you can use to make a full-time income online with CPA marketing, and I'm talking $15,000 per month. Before I get started, if you want to start an online CPA affiliate marketing business and finally quit your job and work from home, head over to the first link in my description. If you want to speed up the process, you will get a full step-by-step training course, your own personal business advisor, and all the tools you need to start your own business today. All of that, guys, for just $7. So stop hesitating and start today. So guys, I don't actively promote CPA offers anymore. I do mostly affiliate marketing, but I still 100% believe and know that hundreds of CPA affiliates are still doing this today, this exact method I'm going to show you, and are making a bunch of commissions on the daily. And I'm going to show you guys how these guys are making $100, $50, and even way more than this every single day. So what you need to do is you need to create a free ebook you're going to be giving away. And obviously you don't have to create it, all you have to do is go to idplr.com, and there's thousands of free private label rights, ebooks, courses, and a bunch of cool stuff you can get access to today and start giving it away for free. And how we're going to be making money is very simple, guys. Let me show you. We're going to be sending traffic to this ebook. So if somebody wants our free ebook, for example, a weight loss ebook, they're going to have to fill in a survey or unlock a certain type of offer to get access to that ebook. So it's very simple, and guys, it works. So we're not going to be picking an offer, okay, because these offers are country based. What we're going to do is we're going to content lock a specific product or a specific digital ebook in this case. So what you need to do, guys, is create a free account with Adworkmedia or CPAGrip or Maxbounty and head over to Tools and Content Locker. Now, before I made this video, I made a short content lock right here. So all you have to do is create a new gateway. It looks something like this on the back end. And yeah, so basically when somebody goes to our link, they're gonna see something like this. and it's gonna say unlock this page to continue. And since I'm in Slovakia, I have one offer, but if somebody from USA goes to this page, they're gonna see a bunch of offers. So to unlock this page, they're gonna have to fill one of these offers. So you're gonna make about $1 to $20 for everybody that unlocks this page. And we need to make our visitors want to unlock the page. So we have to give them something in return. And we're gonna give them a free ebook. So what you can do is go to this website, go to something like weight loss if we're promoting a weight loss product, and find a good weight loss ebook. So for example, there's a bunch of weight loss ebooks on this website. So go ahead, download one, and then enter the link of your download right here, guys. Just simple, edit the page, go to advanced settings and redirect URL, enter the URL of the downloaded ebook right here. So every time somebody goes to our content lock link and enters their survey or fills in their email or whatever the offer they have, they get redirected to the free ebook download page. We're gonna get access to the ebook. Okay, now the most important part of this entire process is to generate traffic. This is simple. Downloading the ebook, creating the content locker is simple. Now all we have to do is consistently send a bunch of traffic to this exact link. So the link is, I believe, here, right? Get code, and all you have to do is get the link, which is down here. The link is down here. Launching Getaway on click. So this is our link, and first of all we want to mask it. So go to something like bit.ly.com, name your link, and enter the long version into bit.ly and name it. So for example, bit.ly.com/weight loss, and enter this link. And when somebody goes to bit.ly.com/weight loss, they're going to be redirected to this link. So just we need to make it a bit nicer. Okay, that's the whole point of using bit.ly. To generate traffic, to send a bunch of traffic to that link, we need to use TikTok. We're not going to be using Instagram, YouTube. We're not going to be using paid ads or any of this nonsense. We're going to use TikTok. Don't worry, you don't have to show your face. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. And the reason why we need to use TikTok is because it is a fairly new platform and it is super viral, and brand new accounts can get thousands of followers, thousands of views on their first upload, just like I did myself. Okay, I have a TikTok account about maybe 4 to 5 weeks, and I already have 3,000 followers, and a bunch of my videos are over 10,000, 20,000 views. So that's a bunch of traffic. And don't worry guys, you don't even have to show your face. What we're gonna be doing is something like this, guys. Look at this TikTok for this instance. This is just a simple TikTok video with images and a voiceover. So guys, all you need to do is go to a website like pixabay.com, where you can download PLR images or free copyright-free images. You can search something like weight loss, right? You can download 4 to 5 images and then add them on TikTok, add text and add a voiceover over that text, and you have a simple video. Post 3 to 6 videos every single day. You can get inspired by other creators in your niche. So you can look at different weight loss accounts and simply just model their videos. So it's really not that hard. Or you can do something else. For example, you can go to YouTube, and if you want to promote a motivation, let's go to motivation welcome. What is this, guys? So yeah, you can go to YouTube and simply go to motivation videos and cut 15 seconds out of a video and simply post it to TikTok and add a text over it. It's not hard, guys. You just have to put in the extra time and effort. So guys, go to Pixabay, download images and a voiceover, or go to YouTube and simply search for the video you want. So for example, motivation videos, and cut out, for example, 15 or 10 seconds out of any video you want and post it to TikTok. Just like this guy is doing. He has 60,000 followers and he's just simply posting videos from YouTube. And on every single video, you want to add a call to action at the very end of the video. So for example, follow my account for more videos like this, or click the link in my bio to check out my weight loss ebook. And everybody that goes to your bio, this is your bio, guys. Look at this, is my account. Game in black. This is my account. And this is my bio. Learn how to start an online business, start today. And this is my link where I promote Legendary Marketer. So as you can see, I'm getting 2,000, 2,500. I'm getting a bunch of views, guys, on each video. For example, this video got 23,000 views. This video got 24,000 views. So it's very, very easy to get a TikTok video go viral. So guys, this is it for today's video. It's very, very simple. You just have to stay consistent posting videos on TikTok, and trust me, your traffic will go to your website and you will make a bunch of conversions, a bunch of sales, a bunch of email submits, and so on. So it's not hard. This business model is pretty simple. You just have to stay consistent. Guys, and as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you want to take this online business seriously and actually go full-time online, then I would highly recommend you go over the 15-day business builder challenge I mentioned at the beginning of this video. You will get your own business advisor. You will get your 15-day course. You will get all the tools, the funnels, the email scripts, everything you need to start a successful online business. And this exact course helped me quit my job, start my YouTube channel, start my TikTok account, and start generating commissions consistently online. And now I do digital marketing, CPA affiliate marketing full-time since 2018. So guys, if I would recommend a course for you guys, then it will be exactly this course. So once again, guys, if you want to start an online business even as a complete beginner, then click the first link in the description and take action. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click that like button below, comment what you think about this method, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.